black ducks. Got in. Where's the other black ducks? Want to stand up? Yeah, yeah. Here, black duck. Those seagulls are naughty, aren't they? You've got a red face, look. Too noisy. Did the bird get it, did he? You watch this one, look, you watch. Oh, you watch what I do. Watch what I do. Watch this. No, you watch. Oh, up in the air. Oh no, it didn't come and get it, did it?
No one.
Did he get it?
Yes!
Oh.
See?
Yeah.
No.
Too close.
More fish. Wait.
Alright.
Buy some? Buy some.
Buy some?
Yes.
We don't need to buy some, we're going to give them all to the ducks. We want to buy some for the ducks, don't we? Oh yeah, he got it. Hey. Mr. Black Duck got it.
Duck.
Funny old bird. It's a bit smaller than that. A very smaller one. Let me hold the big bit. You break that bit. Oh, you can have it back. Oh, I'm not going to do it. You do that one. Break it up. That's it. Oh, you caught it. Wow, that was clever. Yeah, I know. He's a clever boy, isn't he? Has he still got it, has he? Are they chasing him? Oh, yeah. Oh, look, chasey.